Today, we use the fractal noise effect in AE to create an underwater scene. This is the basic look. You can also add some fish to create interesting effects. Let's start the tutorial. Create a new main composition 1920 by 1080. Then create a new 2000 by 2000 ocean floor layer. Create a solid color layer to load the fractal noise effect. Change type to dynamic progressive. Reverse. Scale 70 and transform. Subsetting scale also 70. Alt-click to add expression to evolution. Also add expression to offset and transform. Delete content. Link to y-axis. This method is much more convenient than keyframing. Now it can loop indefinitely. Add vector blur. Amount 7. Drag in a texture map. Precompose texture map to show the dark effect of the seabed. Add offset effect. Press E to open the expression of the upper layer. Alt-click texture offset. Link it to the offset of the upper layer. Change the fractal layer mode to multiply. This way the texture and fractal layer are displayed synchronously. Drag the seabed composite into the main composite. Turn on 3D, press R, and change the x-axis to 90. Move downward. Switch to custom view. Increase the length and width. Double-click the ellipse tool. Mask feather 670. Expand -200. Create a new background solid color layer. Add gradient. Light blue on top. Dark blue on bottom. Select radial gradient. Change mode to screen. Create a new 2000 by 2000 water composition. Still in the solid color layer. Add fractal noise effect. Type dynamic progressive. Click invert. Contrast 125, brightness -30. In transform, scale to 200. Add time expression in evolution. Drag in the sky material, set mode to screen. Drag the water surface composition into the main composition. Turn on 3D. Press R and change the x-axis to 90. Move upward. Also change the mode to screen. Increase the z-axis position a bit. Increase the scale size a bit more. Double-click the ellipse tool. Adjust the mask feathering. Make the edge blur natural. Moderately reduce the sky opacity. You can also use curves to lower the light. Create a new solid color layer. Name it light. Use the pen tool. Outline a small area above. Add the fractal noise effect. Basic settings are the same as before. Contrast 250. Brightness -30 for evolution expression. Change display mode to screen. Add CC light burst. Place the center point directly above. Select direction as straight line. Adjust length until it spreads to the ground. Reduce opacity. Make the light more natural. Create a new adjustment layer. Make a vignette effect. Use the curve effect to lower the brightness. Double-click the ellipse tool. Change the mask to subtract. Increase feathering. Create a new particle composition 1920 by 1080. Load the particular effect in the solid layer. We directly select the preset in the blue box. Select a horizontal dust preset in the upper left corner. Make an underwater dust effect. Confirm application in the bottom right corner. I lowered the resolution here. The effect is not clear. Move the timeline forward. Make the particles appear earlier. Add a camera. Particular itself comes with a 3D environment. Using the camera tool can make the particles turn. Drag the particle composition into the main composition. Create a new adjustment layer. Use noise to add dust effect in the sea. Set the value to 3. Okay, the basic effect is done. I downloaded some shark videos with green screen. After removing the background in AE, directly export the video with an alpha channel. Then add it back to the AE composition. This can reduce some lag and errors. This video, for now, I won't use E3D to import the model. There will be a separate tutorial on the application of E3D effects in the future. Add some position keyframes to the fish. Just perform operations like position transformation. Add effects such as curves and tones. Just fine-tune the colors. The effect is complete. See you in the next episode.